Alright, so you should have already filled out number 6, 2 squared, all the way down, 2 cubed, and then 2 to the 4th and down. So now we are going to talk about simplifying radicals. So, the square root of 144. So, the square root of 144, you can look up on your notes and see that 12 squared is 144, so the square root of 144 is 12. Oh. Okay. There we go. That's ugly. Let's try that again. Alright, cube root of 125. So for this one, you're going to want to look up in the cubes and see that the cube root of 125 is 5. Try the square root of 81 and the 4th root of 81. You should get 2 different answers there. Alright, now the square root of 50. For this, we want to pull out perfect squares. So we have, what perfect squares in 50? 4, I'm lazy, I always see a 4 goes in there first. So 50 divided by 4 is not a whole number, that doesn't work. And I try 50 divided by 9, that doesn't work. 16 doesn't work. My next one is 25, which works. So I do a little factor tree. You might do a different way, and that's completely fine. But square root of 25 times the square root of 2 will give me the square root of 50. Square root of 25 is 5. So I don't have the square root anymore because I took the square root of 25. Square root of 2 is not a whole number, so I just leave it as root 2. So I write my answer as 5 times the square root of 2. Fifth root of 32. Now that one, we don't have any fifth powers on our list up there, so I would check, see what 2 to the 5th is and what 3 to the 5th is. If either of them is 32, then you have your answer. Cube root of 64. So you look up on your sheet and see what times itself 3 times will give you 64. Alright, we'll try one more together. Try the square root of 200. Break down, see what perfect squares are in there. And we will try this one. The square root of 64 is 8. So now we do negative 5 times 8 to give me negative 40. And let's now try the rest of them for your homework and be ready to check your answers tomorrow in class.